Today we are in Port St. Joe. Behind us, a Piggly Wiggly, which I don't recall ever stepping foot in a Piggly Wiggly. Have you?
No.
No.
Never been.
It's been requested quite a bit. And since there's not really one near us, and we are currently near one, we thought it would make the ideal time to come do a complete tour of a Piggly Wiggly. Now, after the intro, we have some fun facts with Timber we will share with you. Let's go check it out. Now, this Piggly Wiggly is located in this little shopping center. Based on photos, it looks like it's pretty nice on the inside. We have on this trip been by some, and the outside looks like they were maybe original.
Okay, Piggly Wiggly was founded in 1916 in Memphis, Tennessee, and it was the first self-service grocery store. This little guy up to the left is Mr. Pig.
I believe there's a Mr. Pig statue inside, and it seems like most of these Piggly Wigglies have a Mr. Pig. It does say Cafe, Bakery, Deli. This one's fun. We've got a pirate out in front of this Piggly Wiggly. What's it say? My name is Paul. Oh, Paul is representing the store next door. It's nice because they've got a lot of beach items. Look at this. Beach umbrella. $32. Some footballs. Pool noodles. Does it say the hours on the door? I believe they open something like 6 or 6:30 maybe? I think is what it said. Check it out. Free coffee as you enter inside. Now, we won't be able to show everything in here because it is a grocery store and that's a lot to do. But we do have the savings wall. We've got a Piggly Wiggly styrofoam cooler, and it's kind of set up like all, grocery stores. You got produce over there. Looks like the meat's in the back. In the front here, cash registers, checkout. There's the help desk, and it says the best meat on the coast. And I think there's some restrooms at the very far left. You know what it reminds me of? A price cutter back in Missouri.
Oh yeah, I can see that.
If you know more about Piggly Wigglies, let us know. I know online people were talking about all the food over here, like the hot pizza and just kind of like the grab and go stuff. But with this being one of our first kind of experiences here, don't know a lot about it other than what Timber said. Oh, sushi. We are a little early. It's like 8:30 today. Trying to beat the crowd in. Oh, look. Let's go look at the food. And you have breakfast in the morning. And so you swap them out, breakfast, lunch. Oh, wow. I did not know that. Cool. A walking taco. Nice. Order now. Hot pizza. We've got some breads. This is the bakery section. And then here was where we entered. Lady was very helpful over there with the food. I think the food hours were like 6 to 8. And again, they substitute between breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We've got some cakes. Dean's cakes. Fresh soup, salad, olives. Obviously, closer to lunchtime, they will have all of this stuff out. And then your middle sections, like your refrigerator items. Over here, still back by the bakery, we've got Taste the Coast, which I guess are like kind of like the produce. So you got fruits. Yeah, fruits right here. Veggies down at the end. Produce, strawberries, sweet oranges, a full wall of produce. Organic produce in the back. Oh, bananas with a banana tree. That's cool. Ultimately, what we're seeing is Piggly Wiggly is just another grocery store. But, you know, we've done videos of Publix, Aldi, Winn-Dixie, why not add Oh, Sprouts, Fresh Market, pretty much all of them. Why not Whole Foods? Why not add Piggly Wiggly here to the list? Look at the little bananas up there. It's a fake banana tree, but it's still cool. Kind of walking down the backside now. We've got smoked meats, and it goes aisles 1 through a lot. So maybe we'll just show you what each aisle has and not necessarily go down every aisle. And back at the very back, we've got the lunch meats. Wall of lunch meats. Let's first go through every aisle. Maybe we'll go the back side of the store first. This way, we'll come back and then show you every aisle. And with being next to the beach, they've got a grill. Oh, restrooms are actually in the back. I don't know what the front was. I thought maybe the front had the restrooms there, but land and sea, again, with it being 8:30 in the morning, they're not going to have any of their items currently out. However, they've got pretty much anything. Back here, butcher's block, the meats, and then now you're like frozen items. Refrigerator, like cold and creamery, dairy. Yep, this is the dairy wall. And then that'll take us to the front. So let's go back and look at each of the aisles. I'm not thinking this is Mr. Pig right here. It is a tad chilly in here, just so you know, but here is aisle 1 and aisle 2. I did see something on aisle 3, which is right here. Look at the size of these beans. So, not going to go up and down each of them, just going to show what each of them consist of. Aisle 4. Aisle 5. I think there was like 15 of them labeled. Aisle 6. Aisle 7. Aisle 8. There's also people shopping, so I'm trying to stay out of their way. Aisle 9. Now there's literally someone unpacking stuff in front of aisle 10. So aisle 10 is Gatorade, water, and sparkling water. Aisle 11. 12. 13 right here. Aisle 14. And I think 15, like I said, was the last one that was actually labeled. There are a few more, but it's like your freezer section, and we already showed this back wall, so we're going to head towards the front now. And I'm sure they've got specific Piggly Wiggly branded items, but for the most part, it's going to be the same stuff you find at other grocery stores, so just know that. Now this is interesting. They've got Holiday on the coast. Let's see. Oh, that's nice that if you forget something or you need any items for your beach vacation, they've got it. They've got Piggly Wiggly shirts. You got any Piggly Wiggly stickers? That would be something. Decals, but I don't see any specific Piggly Wiggly ones. Socks, sandals, coolers. Going to the beach. Sandcastle. They've got ping pong balls. Shop the pig. Wiggle wiggle. Now I have not found the pig statue in here yet. I thought online they showed they had one. Maybe we just missed it, or maybe they don't have it at this location. But I feel like every one of them should have Mr. Pig. You can see I love the pig. Port St. Joe, $25. Also, we be jamming at the pig. So here's the front of the store. Oh, look, Jesus loves you. VeggieTales. I love VeggieTales. Mayo Light Shine for Jesus. These are very cool shirts. They've got fishing poles, beach towels, sunglasses, and then your help desk is actually right here. And we did just find a full thing of decals with, oh yeah, check that out. That's awesome. We got to get one of those. And then they've got a wall of taffy for those who love taffy. Let me know, what's your favorite taffy flavor? I guess we'll go outside and see if we can find Mr. Pig. But then up here where you exit, they've got some more beach items, self-checkout. I'm not sure what that is to the right up there. That I thought those were restrooms. It's not restrooms, it's just like the worker room up front here. Let's see if there's a Mr. Pig on the other side. I might be wrong, but I thought pictures online showed a statue of Mr. Pig, but I did look at several different locations to see which one was along the trip. Now, some of those really older looking sketchy ones did have the pig out front, but unfortunately, I'm not seeing Mr. Pig here. Nope. They do have outdoor seating for when you go into their little food section, their cafe, but darn, I was really hoping for Mr. Pig. The best we have is right here on the side of the actual building. But there was one just, I don't know, 30 minutes from us that was very, very old, pretty sketchy looking, but had a giant Mr. Pig statue out in front. And I guess I just kind of thought all of them would do the same. Womp womp. Either way, this is the Mr. Pig we get. That was our trip out to Piggly Wiggly here in Port St. Joe. What'd you say, 18 states have them, I think?
Yeah.
There's 500 of them-ish?
I was going to say that, but I couldn't remember.
Let us know where the best one is. This one wasn't bad. It just reminded us of like a price cutter back home. Kind of maybe like an older Winn-Dixie, if you will.
Say not a price cutter plus or whatever it was called. Just a regular price cutter. That's
right.
what it reminded me of.
Yep. And wasn't too bad. Again, some of the other ones we have seen, they were rough. And it's also along the lines of some stores you used to go to.
No Frills, Albertsons.
Yep.
It's of that ilk.
Yep. I'm disappointed there was no statue to get our picture next to. However, we did get a pretty cool sticker. And there you go. We finally did a tour of Piggly Wiggly to show it online with our other grocery stores. Now we can officially cross it off our list as going to a Piggly Wiggly. And it's just another grocery store with some food.
Yep.
So there you have it.
I'm sure nostalgic for some people.
Yeah. If you got any good stories, let us know. But with that being said, that does it for today. Thanks for watching.